Imagine snuggling up with the perfect travel blanket that feels like a hug, no matter where your journey takes you. When you're on the go, comfort and convenience are key, especially when it comes to choosing the right travel blanket. Today, we're diving into the 11 best fabrics that are perfect for any adventure, offering comfort, durability, and easy packability. Let's start with one of the classics, fleece. This soft, lightweight fabric traps warmth while remaining incredibly packable, making it a favorite for chilly flights. Next up, we have microfiber. It's known for its smooth texture and quick-drying abilities, making it a practical choice if you happen to spill something during your travels. There's also merino wool, which not only keeps you warm but also manages moisture, keeping you dry and cozy. If breathability is what you seek, consider cotton. Its soft, natural feel ensures that you won't overheat, and it gets softer with every wash. Now, let's talk about nylon. It's ultra-durable and water-resistant, turning every adventure into a breeze, whether you're on a mountain trek or lounging on the beach. For those looking for luxury, silk is a lightweight wonder that feels divine against your skin, making you feel indulgent wherever you go. Then there's polyester, which combines durability with easy care. It's stain-resistant and retains shape beautifully. Don't overlook bamboo fabric either. It's eco-friendly and naturally breathable, providing comfort and a reduced environmental impact. As we move along, consider down insulation for those cold nights. It's lightweight yet immensely warm, perfect for cozying up in chilly environments. Recycled fabrics are also a growing trend, offering a sustainable layer that doesn't sacrifice comfort. Finally, let's not forget about water-resistant fleece blends, which keep you warm and dry even in damp conditions. Don't just settle for any blanket on your travels. Choosing one of these high-quality fabrics puts comfort and practicality at your fingertips. Which fabric do you think would feel the best on your next trip? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips.